When a customer calls your business and you just can't get to the phone, what happens next? Well, they probably hit your voicemail. But here's the thing you might not realize. By the time you actually call them back, there's a really good chance they've already booked the job with your competitor. Today, we're going to break down why that old voicemail system is probably costing you thousands and how a modern AI solution can turn every single one of those missed calls into a booked appointment. Okay, let's just get right into it. This is a simple question, right? But the answer, well, it's absolutely crucial for your business. A missed call isn't just a missed conversation. No, it's lost revenue, it's a lost opportunity, and you know what? It's probably a customer who is never, ever going to call you again. It's a direct hit to your bottom line.
And look at this number. This really puts the scale of the problem into perspective. A staggering 62% of calls to businesses just go completely unanswered. And that's not just a statistic, That number represents thousands of missed jobs and a whole lot of frustrated customers every single day.
So, let's talk about that thing we all rely on as a safety net, the voicemail. The hard truth? It's not a safety net at all. In today's world, it's a dead end. It's actually a pretty big liability that is actively, and I mean actively, pushing your potential customers straight into the arms of your competition. This right here, this perfectly captures the disconnect. See, you think you're saying, hey, we're busy, but please leave a message. But what your customer hears, especially when they've got an urgent problem, they hear something totally different. They hear, we're unavailable right now, so you should probably find someone who is. They need help now, not a vague promise of a callback that might come hours later or maybe never. And here's the data to prove it. Over 80% of people just hang up. Think about it for a second. If someone's got a pipe that just burst and is flooding their bathroom, are they going to patiently leave a detailed message? No way. They're hanging up and immediately calling the next person on that Google search list until anyone, picks up the phone. And just like that, you lost a customer. Okay, so that's the problem, and it's a big one. But now let's talk about the solution. We've built a smart, really capable AI employee that's designed specifically for local service businesses just like yours. And let me tell you, it creates a completely different outcome.
So what exactly is an AI employee? Well, think of it as your new perfect team member. It's a voice agent that we custom build just for your business. And it is always on, ready to answer every single call, 24/7, day or night. It doesn't just take messages. Oh no. It qualifies your leads, answers common questions, and, this is the most important part, it books confirmed appointments right into your calendar.
Now, talk is one thing, but actually seeing it in action, that's what really matters. So we're going to run through a quick demo to show you just how massive the difference is in the customer's experience. This, right here, is where the magic happens.
All right, first up, the scenario we all know too well. A customer calls, they've got an urgent problem. The phone rings and goes to voicemail. What do? They hang up in frustration and immediately call your competitor. The outcome is simple. A lost customer, lost revenue. That's it.
Okay, now for scenario 2. The same exact customer calls, same urgent problem. But this time, your Voiceonic AI employee answers instantly. And the outcome? Well, it's completely different. It's a book job, a happy customer, and money in your pocket. Let's listen in and see how it works.
Boom! Right away, the call is answered professionally. No endless ringing, no waiting. Just an immediate, helpful greeting that lets that customer know, hey, you've reached the right place and we're ready to help.
And there's the customer. You can hear the stress in their voice, right? They've got a serious, urgent problem. And this is that critical moment where you either win their business for life or you lose it forever.
Now, listen to that response. It's empathetic, I'm sorry to hear that, and it immediately pivots to a solution. It doesn't ask them to wait or leave a message, it asks to book the job. That is exactly what a customer in this situation wants to hear. And just watch how effortlessly it handles all the details. It checks your real-time availability, it offers up concrete time slots, and it can even adjust on the fly if the customer says, actually, how about Wednesday? It's a totally natural, intelligent conversation that just gets the job done.
And just like that, appointment booked. A confirmation is on its way to the customer's email, and that frantic potential customer has been converted into a happy, paying one. And the best part, all of this happened in just a couple of minutes, without you or your team having to lift a single finger. So now that you've actually seen it in action, let's quickly break down the real-world benefits of adding one of our AI employees to your team, because this is really about how we can transform your day-to-day operations. All right, let's start with the big one, the one everyone thinks about, cost. Hiring a full-time receptionist is a major expense, right? Well, our AI employee provides a better, more consistent service for about 80% less. That's a huge saving that goes straight back into your pocket or your business.
But honestly, it's about so much more than just saving money. It's about having true 24/7 coverage so you literally never miss a call again. It means zero missed revenue because every single lead gets captured. It's about that instant booking that syncs with your calendar, providing professional service every time. And you know what that all adds up to? Real peace of mind after hours. You can actually shut off at the end of the day knowing your business is still running, still growing.
So when you really look at it all, the choice for your business becomes incredibly clear, doesn't it? It's really just about deciding whether you want to stay stuck with an outdated tool that's losing you money, or embrace a modern solution that's designed to help you grow. And this slide right here sums up the whole thing. It really does boil down to the simple choice. Voicemail loses you leads. A Voiceonic AI employee books you jobs. It's that black and white. One is a liability that costs you money, and the other is an asset that works for you around the clock to make you money. So, if you're ready to get your own AI employee and see a free demo for your business, just visit voiceonic.com. It's time to stop missing calls and start booking more jobs automatically.